Two-factor authentication, not working on Publiccom Fix. You're ready to check your stocks on Publiccom, but your two-factor authentication won't work. Maybe you're not getting the code, or it keeps saying invalid. Don't worry, this happens more often than you think, and the fix is usually fast and easy. First, check your phone's time and date settings. Most people overlook this, but two-factor authentication codes rely on exact time synchronization. If your device clock is off by even a few seconds, the code won't match Public's system. Turn on set time automatically in your settings, then try logging in again. Next, if you use a code generator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure it's linked to your current device and account. If you've changed phones recently, your old codes won't carry over automatically. You'll need to log into Publiccom on a desktop and re-enable two-factor authentication to sync your new device. If you're not receiving text codes, check your mobile carrier settings. Some carriers block automated shortcode messages. You can also try restarting your phone, toggling airplane mode on and off, or temporarily switching to app-based authentication, which is generally faster and more consistent. Still having trouble? Update or reinstall the Publiccom app. Outdated app versions or cached login data can interfere with security verification. After installing, log in again and re-enter your authentication code. If all else fails, contact Public's customer support. I'll verify your identity and help you safely reset your two-factor authentication without losing access to your account. So if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Publiccom, don't stress. Sync your time, confirm your authentication app, and check your connection. Within minutes, you'll be back to tracking your portfolio securely and confidently without missing a beat in the market.